Hello, my friends. I'm so glad you could join me. Today we're going to be looking at poinsettias and how to care for them. Of course, they are a beautiful part of our Christmas decorations. We love seeing them. And they have those beautiful red colors. Some of them, they may be white. You may see pinks, like peaches, just different colors. And just a note, as far as the bright red color goes, that is actually, these are leaves right here. They're called bracts, and they get that nice red color that you're seeing here. The flowers are actually the parts you hear, and they really don't have any petals because the bracts actually take care of all of that, as far as attracting pollinators and so on. They are tropical flowers, so bear in mind as far as the temperature goes that you'll want to make sure that they are not being kept at temperatures below 60 degrees. So if you're in a tropical area, then they can pretty much stay outdoors. If you are in a more colder climate, then you'll want to bring them inside once it gets below that kind of temperature. The next thing is the amount of light that they get. They like to have at least 6 hours of sunlight each day. So if you are able to, you could do as I did here and place them by a sunny window. You'll be very happy about that. If you're not able to do so, then you can actually place them where they can get some light, some indoor light on them, because they'll definitely love that. The next tip is watering. You want to make sure that they are not being either overwatered or underwatered. So you'll have to reach in, like I did under here, and just check the soil. And if the soil is dry, then you'll want to give them some watering, as I'm going to do right here, and not too much. If you are overwatering them, then what's going to happen is that you'll see that the leaves are dropping. If they are being underwatered, then the leaves will start to wither, so you'll have to pay attention to them. So I'd say check them maybe like every other day to see how they're doing. So I hope that those tips helped you, and I do have a bonus for you. Now, if you ever break one of the leaves off, whether by accident or just to see what happens, as you can see, I'm showing you right here, you'll see that there's a white liquid will come out of it. And that is actually, believe it or not, latex. Latex. And it's the same as the gloves that you would wear that are made from latex. So if you are allergic to latex, then you'll want to make sure that you protect your skin if you're going to be handling them. And that's, just a little note. So I hope that you found that useful. I do thank you so much for watching. You can leave me a comment if these tips were helpful to you. I hope you have a happy holiday season and take good care of yourselves.